So here's a 50% scale model that I've had 3D printed with iMaterialize's paintball resin service. See, there's a little bit of a graininess that results from the 3D printing process, but it's not too bad. It turned out fairly well, and the material is generally quite strong. A little bit of flexiness here, but that prevents anything from breaking. You can see at 50% scale the blade is still quite large actually. For example, here's a half sheet of paper and it's already longer than that. I'll be working on making 100% scale versions in the upcoming months. My metal one should be done probably in a month or two. And I'll probably look into making a 100% scale plastic version out of polyamide or perhaps an injection molding process. Let me know what you think in the comments below.